Welcome to our Tiny Washer Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washer. We'll explore their features, pricing, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer comes in at a hefty $348, which might be a significant investment for those on a budget. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washer is priced at only $69, making it an attractive option for students or anyone looking for a cost-effective laundry solution. Let's see if the features justify the price difference. In terms of capacity, the BLACK+DECKER washer offers 1.7 cubic feet, which is suitable for household use. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washer boasts a 16-liter capacity, making it ideal for washing smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity could influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. Feature-wise, the BLACK+DECKER washer comes equipped with 8 wash cycles and a transparent lid with an LED display, providing a modern touch to your laundry experience. Meanwhile, the Mini Portable Washer is foldable and emphasizes deep cleaning capabilities, making it a practical choice for those with limited space. Each machine has its unique advantages, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washer have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER model offers more features and a larger capacity, while the Mini Washer is budget-friendly and portable. Depending on your needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.